Well, hello there, people of Schoon Rape. I mean, Boob Tube. Oh, screw it, I give up. Let's see what I'm going to f***ing do today. Wait, hold on just a minute. I need to do the Queef of Fortune. Damn. Somebody check the labor loss, because I'm pretty sure goblin abuse is not right. 5 green faggot leather. Nice. The green goblin of queefing fuck. 5,000 coins. Shit. Well, let's see. What am I gonna do today? Get some mithril here. Whoops, silly me, I forgot to turn the sound off. Cause who needs to hear RuneScape noises when you can hear me? I'm just kidding, I'm not pretentious. Well, I think. I don't know what it means, so I can't really say that for sure. Butthole. Let me just run up to the bank. Ah, crap. And the fapper, the banker here. Now I'm going to go to smear shit all over your face village. Just kidding. I'm going to go to Sears and get me a new blow job. Blow dryer. Clove dryer. Oh, screw it. I'll go with the blow job. You don't have enough inventory space. Are you seeing this? Now that's a glitch. I think RuneScape is having some technical difficulties. Wow, those are some awfully small, And then I gotta go to Sears. Then I gotta go to Smear's Village all after this. Sorry about that. Craft uncut emerald. Craft uncut reed. I'm doing pretty damn good for someone who can't see what the hell they're doing. I'm sorry I'm not excitable today. I'm kind of in a down mood. No, I'm just kidding. I have nothing else better to say at all. Well, I think that just about does it for the rubies and the sapphires. So now I'm heading off to Zeersville. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to go to Sears Village to get me some pussy. I'ma get laid. Alright. But do you know what else is really good about Sears Village? Nothing. Nothing at all. Except to get magic logs. And you can get them up in middle butt nowhere here in this area. Oh, that's locked. Can't go to Lunar Isle. Who cares? It's a fuck place anyway. That's where all the ghosts and shit are. No, I'm just kidding. That's over in Mortania. Ironically, they named it after a place that really loves fat women. No, I'm not kidding. Look up Mortania. They really love the bigger girls. And I clicked on Capital. No, I'm not being offensive. I'm dead serious. Google Mortania. It is actually a place where they love bigger women. I shit you not. Look it up. Fuck it. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah. Anyway, come all to vault to fuck. No, I'm just kidding. Huh? I wonder what would happen if you crossed Hank Hill along with if you crossed Hank Hill with RuneScape. My name is Hank Hill. I sell witchcraft and witchcraft accessories. Dang it, Syracuse, that tears it. I'm going to perform a magic spell on your ass. I'm going to do a fire blast on your ass. Wait, is this a fire blast? I can't remember. I haven't used magic in forever. Huh, well, I'll be damned. Anyway, what the hell was I doing here? Oh yeah, I was going to go maliciously murder a pony. Damn, look at the maple tree. That's fucking updated. Wow, I haven't been over. You can tell it's been a while since I've been over here. There's a castle, King Fuck-a-Lot, and the King Fapper and the Knights of the Fag Table. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know why the hell I'm saying that. Oh crap! I just passed the pony and I didn't even realize it. Well, that's what happens when you smoke too much weed. No, I'm just kidding. I don't smoke anymore. I don't need drugs. I'm just kidding. I smoke RuneScape weed, but that's about it. Most of that's either grimy Guam or grimy Avanto or grimy Dwarf weed. See if I can find another pony. God, these ponies sure are horny. No, I'm just kidding. That was a horrible, horrible, horrible motherfucking joke. Oh, and for those of you who are watching this, cover your ears. I'm just kidding. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la! Anyway, since I'm being more boring than a pot of shit being concocted by those witches with the sneezing cows, you know what? Before I end this video, I want to go visit the sneezing cows. I don't know why, but I freaking love the sneezing cows. If I can remember when the hell they were at. Whoopsie! Sorry, I'm kind of a big Skyper. As Barry once said for American Dad, I'm popular! Now to make the long journey to the witch place. Celebrate good times, come on. Woo! It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Sorry if my singing ruptured your eardrums again. I kind of have an addiction. Got that song stuck in my head for the past few weeks. See, watch it. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, hold on. Oh, see that? See that? The freaking cow just sneezed. Same babe. I'll have to admit, I like the witch's style. Oh, see? Sneeze again. Examine. How could Alex without one sneeze like that? Yeah, tell me about it. Damn. I feel bad for that thing. Wow. Must be chronic. Anyway. I'm going, let's see where I want to go on the map next. Let's see. Fapik, Al-Kharid, the bandit camp, or the butt bandit camp. No, I'm just kidding. By the way, I am not judgmental, so don't even think that. I know this is random, but still. Just for any of you are thinking I ain't judgmental. Alright? Thank you. Now. Yeah, no. Dig Dug, let's call it that. Clawface, Adville, and Bongtown. I live in a Bongtown. Bongview, as some of my friends call it. Oh, and then just in case you're watching, hi. Wow, I'm sorry, that was completely effing random. Well, this is Motherfuck69. Just kidding. This is Syracuse04 here, signing out. I'm going to go deoxitize myself because I think I got sneezed on my ox a little too hard, so. Peace out, gutter sluts and bubble butts. By the way, if you have a bubble butt, call me.